नमस्कार। आपको बता दें कि वर्ल्ड पीस यूनिवर्सिटी गोवा में ओपन हाउस कार्यक्रम का आयोजन हुआ। इस कार्यक्रम में भविष्य की उच्च शिक्षा और एक बेहद अप्रत्याशित होती दुनिया में विश्वविद्यालयों से बदलती अपेक्षाओं पर चर्चा के लिए भावी छात्रों, अभिभावकों और शिक्षकों को एक साथ लाया गया। यह मॉडल किसी एक विषय की गहराई को विभिन्न क्षेत्रों में सोचने, बदलाव के अनुकूल ढलने और वास्तविक दुनिया की जटिल चुनौतियों का समाधान करने की क्षमता के साथ जोड़ने का प्रयास करता है। ऐसे समय में जब छात्र और अभिभावक कार्यक्षेत्र के भविष्य को लेकर स्पष्टता की तलाश कर रहे हैं, इस चर्चा ने उच्च शिक्षा संस्थानों के लिए न केवल रोजगार क्षमता पर ध्यान केंद्रित करने, बल्कि शिक्षार्थियों को उनके पूरे व्यावसायिक जीवन में निरंतर होने वाले बदलावों को सफलतापूर्वक संभालने के लिए तैयार करने की आवश्यकता पर बल दिया।
जब हम बात कर रहे हैं प्लेसमेंट्स की, बच्चों की एट WPU गोवा, स्टूडेंट्स की इन दीज प्रोग्राम्स, द मेजर फोकस इज ऑन 100% करियर सपोर्ट टू बी गिवन टू द स्टूडेंट्स फॉर 3 years, and with the focus on their skill development, the focus on the transdisciplinary component, and focus on the AI education, which is going to be given to the students right from the first day. Undoubtedly, the skill level of the students will be so high that there is no question that students will not be placed. So the focus is very strongly on the employability generation of the students. So इसके अलावा कोई भी आपके questions हैं, they are most welcome. आप पूछिए please. That is the core value of WPU Goa. I'm happy you have asked this question, and this is the core value on the basis of which WPU Goa has been created. So the skill development, employability of the student, transdisciplinary education focused on AI, artificial intelligence. Undoubtedly, this is going to give the industry integration to the students. यहाँ मैं एक बहुत important point बताना चाहूँगी. It is going to be the only university in the country which is giving 3 levels of immersions to the students, starting from the first year till the 3rd year. The immersions are given to the students. The first one is the rural immersion program, in which students stays for full 1 month in a rural area. They understand the philosophy, the understanding, and then ours is the only university which has created Life Transformation Center, LTC. It is a huge facility in the outskirts of Pune, which has been developed by WPU Goa and MIT World Peace University. So that is the first level of immersion in the first year. Second level of immersion is National Academic Immersion Program, in which the students will be sent for 2 weeks in any of IIT or IIM, with which we are getting the MOU signed. Already we have the MOU signed with the top IITs and IIMs, and students will stay there for 2 weeks. The third level of immersion is Global Immersion Program, for which we have tied up with the top universities of Europe, USA, and the other continents. So students will go there for 2 weeks. So not only they will learn the different cultures, they will be earning the new age certification programs also. ये 3 immersion programs हैं which are going to give you the learning beyond the classroom sessions. Besides that, the whole course is integrated with the industry, and obviously they are having the capstone project as a compulsory component. It is a 12 credit program. तो capstone project means that industry के साथ मिलकर उन्हें एक पूरा complete project complete करना है, besides the summer internships. So complete इनका बच्चों का focus है कि industry से भी बातचीत की जाए, global cultural integration भी हो. They should understand the rural immersion also. They should understand the culture of the top institutions of the country also. So a 360-degree focus is going to be there. And in the curriculum, artificial intelligence is a compulsory component. Whatsoever is the topic or subject, AI is a compulsory component. तो global immersion program एक unique component जो हमने डाला है इस courses में, ये किसी भी यूनिवर्सिटी का पार्ट नहीं है एज ए क्रेडिटेड प्रोग्राम. सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फोकस ऑफ द यूनिवर्सिटी, सो दैट बच्चों को एक वैश्विक जानकारी मिले, वो उसके कल्चर को भी समझे. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट message is that the world is changing very fast. So don't rely on the traditional conservative courses for their career. They have to plunge into something unique in which they can definitely learn for the future generations. They can learn the changes happening every year in the market. And when artificial intelligence is the key word today, obviously then the need of transdisciplinary education is much higher. So that is very important, and I'm sure the students are understanding with the overwhelming response which we are getting for this university.
अगर आपने अभी तक सनराइज समाचार को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सनराइज समाचार को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को भी दबा दीजिए ताकि आप हमारे आने वाली वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले पा सकें।